How to rename and change icons on your Samsung device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change or rename the app icons on your Samsung device. For that, you need to download a third-party app that is called a launcher. So you can download any launcher from Play Store, but I'm just going to search for Smart Launcher. It's a pretty good one, so you can try it out too. So once you open your launcher, it will look something like this, and this will be your home screen and all your app drawer. So if you want to change your icons, so let's say if I just go here and I want to change this icon right here. So here I have an option to edit icon. Then I can choose not adaptive as well. I can choose adaptive icons like this one. It looks pretty cool as well. Or you can choose different one from the smart launchers. So let's say if I want to hide it or disguise it as another app. So if I just choose this one right here, it will be shown like this. And then if I tap on, if I just go back and tap on that icon, it will set this as a new icon. So as you can see, my Duolingo's icon has been changed. Now if I want to change it, change its name as well, I can rename it and set it a different name. So let's say if I just type it as a weather app and tap on OK. Now everything has been changed on the app, so it will now go down here, and if I find the weather app, it's right here, but if I open it, it's actually Duolingo. And that's how you can change icons on your Samsung device. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.